How to add a TXT record in GoDaddy, quick tutorial. Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to add a TXT record in GoDaddy. A TXT record is a type of DNS record that allows you to verify your domain ownership and add additional functionality to your website. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the steps to add a TXT record in GoDaddy. To start, log in to your GoDaddy account and navigate to the DNS manager. From there, click on the Add a New Record button and select TXT as the record type. Enter the domain name for which you want to add the TXT record and click Next. In the TXT record section, enter the value for the TXT record. This value will be used to verify your domain ownership. The format for a TXT record is text equals value, where text is the name of the record and value is the actual text. For example, if you want to add a TXT record with the value Google Site Verification equals ABC123, you would enter Google Site Verification equals ABC123. Click Add to save the TXT record. Once you've added the TXT record, you'll need to verify your domain ownership by responding to the verification email sent by GoDaddy. That's it. Adding a TXT record in GoDaddy is a straightforward process. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more quick tutorials on how to manage your domain and website. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, and we'll see you in the next video.